Hi. We're in the park. Red leaf. I found one. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Wee. Yeah. Stop, monkey. Do not jump. I won't. Good. Stop, monkey. Yeah. Look at the beautiful nature. Yes, a monkey. Nature feels good. Can't see it. Me either. Stop, monkey. A secret message. Huh. I'm gonna jump off. Do not jump off, Stop, monkey. I'm gonna do it. Do not. Wee. Stop, monkey. Why did you jump off? Because I love this adventure. Oh. Why don't you say so? I think we feel lost. I think we are. Because that's what our park is for. Being lost. Oh. Then why did you say so? Oh yeah, why didn't we know so? Yeah. Look at this. Deep and mysterious forest. Huh. And my mom isn't here too. It's all the way down there. Dang. Oh. Stop, monkey. I see that smile on your face. Do not do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh, no you don't. On the count of 3. 1. I'm not counting with you. 2. 3. Boing. Stop, monkey. What have you done? I'm sorry. I got it. What is it? Look what I got. I got my phone on the trip. Oh, Stop, monkey. Wow, that's just amazing. And look. All my apps in one place. I know, Stop, monkey. Huh. But where are we? I don't know. Let me put my phone in my pocket. All done. Okay. I don't know, where are we? And yeah. And else. Stop, monkey. We're gonna enjoy our trip. Oh. Why don't we go over that hill? Oh. Okay. Let's walk. Can't believe we're walking over here. And watch out for spider webs. Oh. I did saw those ones before, but I'm just gonna pass over here then. Huh. Now you see, I am very tall, but I'm not gonna make sure I'm not gonna get any spider webs. Actually, no. Wrong way. Beep, beep, wrong way. What are you doing? I think there's a lot of spider webs on that hill. So I think we're gonna go that way. What? Yes. We're following my direction. Stop, monkey. Okay, fine. Oh my gosh. Shut up! Wow. Who wants that train? I don't know. But it's just the difference. Stop, monkey. What is that? I actually don't know what it is. Alright. We better have to go in there. Buy a little stairs to go inside. I don't know if it's a building or something. A magical one anyway. But should we go there? Are we adventurers? Yes. Then let's go in there. Okay. But I don't like this. If we go in there, we'll be too far, Sock Monkey. So I don't care either because we're adventurers. We have no money. Yeah, I guess so. Come on, Sock Monkey. And watch out for spider. I know. What? The gate's blocked. Dang it, I thought we were on our way. Why don't we sit down and rest? Let's go over there. Okay. Okay, Sock Monkey. Let me see if we can find the perfect spot to put my phone and just sit in the, the lake. Let me see if we can find it somewhere. Boing! I'm so done being adventurous. What? Oh, look at this. Stop, monkey! Do not touch it. It's just water. It's magical water. I'm so amazed. It is magical water. Stop, monkey. Stop, monkey. Don't you dare. Do not. Do not. Do not. Stop, monkey! Stop, monkey! What did I tell you? I'm sorry. Well, I hope the magical water or whatever doesn't give you powers. Then how about we try? You know what, Stop, monkey? Sit over here. Actually, wait over here and let's see if we got the powers. Okay, but it doesn't look well. See if it tries. Okay. What? No way! Oh my gosh! Ah! Stop, monkey! Huh? Are you okay? I am. Feels like I'm flying again. It's because of the magical water. What did the magical water bring us? A bottle. Must mean a bottle of what? Let me grab and see what's up. A bottle. Careful, Stop, monkey. Maybe it's poisonous. It's from the magical water. It's not. It's just water. It is magic, Stop, monkey. Stop arguing. A bottle. Maybe we'll scoop up the magical water and see it on you again. Maybe the magical water wants to see you try one more time. Is that right? Yeah, he says it's right. Okay, but I'm not gonna try. Okay, good. Okay, Stop, monkey, here I go. Okay, Salt Monkey. I got water from the magic. I got a bottle from. Look at this. It's the magical water bottle. Well, if we pour this on you, does it make you fly or not? I'm not sure it'll work. Maybe we'll see. Okay, here we go. Maybe I'll pause this video to see. Okay, here I go, Salt Monkey. Whatever, just do it. Okay. Salt Monkey, this water, I know you can fly. Huh. Let me see. Okay. I'm just gonna keep a close eye on you. See how you're doing. Ain't no way. No way! Oh my gosh! Salt Monkey! Salt Monkey! I think it worked this time.
Oh, it did? Oh my...
You brought this close to us. You gave all the magical water to all the peasants in the Stone Mountain. Why? That's right. Keep talking in the face. Keep talking. I'm done. What is it? It's just water. It's not just water, Salt Monkey. It's because the magical water gave the peasants of the Stone Mountain everything they want. And you wanted to fly. And I wanted these... I don't know what is in my head, but the magical water did that. No way. Carter, it's just a joke. It is not a joke. That made you fly. That made you fly, Salt Monkey. So what? It's just a joke. No comment. It's just a joke. Well, Salt Monkey, we have to tell where the magical water is because we're gonna leave soon. Oh. That's fine with me. Yeah, no comment. Now let's go find somewhere to sit down. Yeah. Another day, another misery for my life. What's this? Salt Monkey, don't go in there. Salt Monkey, I told you not to go in there. Oh my gosh. Salt Monkey, do not knock on the door. Salt Monkey, stop. Salt Monkey, that is not why we knock on doors.
So sorry, you just wanted to.
So done with Salt Monkey. That is the end. Oh my gosh, I'm so done with Salt Monkey. That was the end of our hiking trip. See you again soon.